Hi you guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 20. We had a nice lie-in this morning and now we're going to go and eat some keema from last night for brunch, which will be nice for us. Okay guys, I'm back on wardrobe clear out duty. I've got dresses to do, which to be fair are not quite as bad as some of the other wardrobes. I regularly clear it out anyway. But we'll do dresses, and we're also going to do jackets, coats, which are looking a bit messy, and also the middle, like the drawer sections, which really are a mess because it's all my gym clothes and stuff. Wish me luck with this, you guys. Okay, dresses is done, and now I can kind of move them around a bit more, which is always useful so I can see things. I've taken out some pieces to put in the new house that I think I'm going to leave for a couple of summers, like this dress, which I love, but I feel like it could take a year off, so it's going to go over. But yeah, I didn't take all the summery stuff out just in case. I think we're going to go away again in February, so I don't really want to be rooting around at the house for stuff to pack. Obviously I've taken some of the summery stuff out that I think just could take a little break. Not loads of stuff to actually go to charity or family or friends this time, because I think I kept this relatively, like I said, relatively up to date anyway. So it's been a while since I last updated you guys, but I'm having today one of those breakdown days. I've just been freaking out a little bit today about various things, all stupid as always, but you know when you just let it all get in your head and it's like 10 small things at once and it's just all too much. I'm just having a few minor breakdowns today, but it's okay. I think it often happens in the midst of a clear out because everything's suddenly a mess, and you know, you get to the middle of it and you're like, oh my god, now I actually have to sort out all this stuff I pulled out of the wardrobe, which is an extra stressor. So what I did was I had an undocumented bath. I was like, right, I'm just gonna get in the bath, can't handle it anymore. I've done most of the cupboards apart from the middle shelves, so I'm gonna finish those off probably tomorrow. Sorry you guys, on these days, these sorts of days, I always find vlogging hard because it's hard to talk to the camera when you're just feeling whiny and shy basically. But I'm gonna go down for some dinner now, which I'm looking forward to. I think it's spag bowl and I just want to eat. Hi guys, so I've just put the vlog up and I am probably going to retire for the day. As I explained, I am just not feeling good today. I'm just feeling really emotional and just a bit overwhelmed, and like I said before, just things are like building up in my brain, and I think I need to start the new week fresh tomorrow. I've written a list of things to do tomorrow, so I'm kind of on the ball as soon as I get up. And obviously on Mondays, as I said before, Zach and I kind of plan the week, so I will be kind of planning as well tomorrow. So hopefully that will kind of ground me again and make me feel a bit better and give me a better idea of what's happening and what's going on this week. But I do actually have a list of things that I would like to do, so if you are waiting for these things in Vlogtober, they are coming. I'm gonna figure out when and where and how I'm going to do some of these things. So today, very excitingly, I've really wanted to do an Indie Does My ASOS order for ages. I've written it down here on my list as Creech Does My ASOS order because that's what I call her, and whenever I think of it as Creech Does My ASOS order. But anyway, it's Indie's ordered me some stuff from ASOS today, so that's going to come to you guys this week. I think I'll probably make that like a separate video from the vlogs, maybe even kind of like I did with the book video. So that is coming, you guys, and I'm really excited about it. I don't know what she's picked, but I'm sure she's done a great job. She's very fastidious about this sort of thing, so I'm sure she's done a fabulous job. Yes, still wanting to transform the house a little bit. I think Zach and I are going to pick up some stuff tomorrow so that we can go in and do that. Like, for example, we're going to need like some form of protective gear. We're going to need some proper gloves and stuff because the house is kind of gross. I'm going to see Priya this week to get new nails, which I'm very excited about. If I don't follow through on any of these things, by the way, you guys, I am sorry, but I am planning to do all of these things. Yeah, I don't know what to do with my nails. I'm thinking something Halloween-y, obviously. I'm thinking like blood dripping. I'm not sure, but something like that. They're getting really long, and obviously I've had this massive crack in this nail bothering me. At least it's kind of far down enough that it's probably not going to come off before Tuesday, but it's been irritating me, so I'm looking forward to her fixing that for me. I wanted to, Indy and I are going to have a fun sister days together this week as well, which I'm excited about. She's on half term, so hopefully we're going to do a little bit of vintage shopping, which I've wanted to do for ages. Obviously trying to cut back on purchasing new items, so yeah, I want to go and do some vintage shopping. I also want to show you guys how I write my book notes, but I feel like I need to finish A Suitable Boy in order to do that because I haven't really written many notes on A Suitable Boy. It's not really that type of book, so whichever, hopefully we'll finish that this month, and whichever book comes next I will show you writing book notes because I know that lots of you guys have asked about that. Probably not going to be massively interesting, but I will show you that. There are a couple things I want to pick up furniture wise. For example, Zach and I desperately need a filing system, and I think we're going to need like a big table soon as well so that we can work at the house. So hopefully, this is not a definite one, but I would like to do some kind of secondhand charity shop or flea market shopping just for those bits as well, because I don't want to buy anything just for now and then actually not need it or want it when it comes to actually moving into the house. So I would ideally like to buy things that we actually really like and can continue to use. And I need to show you my tattoos, and I need to show you our camera equipment and stuff. So those are the things that you can expect from this latter third of Vlogtober. I'm going to try and find a way to do all or most of those things for you guys, and if not in October, then they will come to you at some point, whether in November or Vlogmas. I have been thinking about Vlogmas, by the way, you guys. I think I will say this again in the final Vlogtober, but I am going to do weekly vlogs for Vlogmas this year, definitely. Not going to do daily vlogs because it's such a busy time of year. I spend a lot of it with family and friends who I just tend not to put a camera in people's faces anyway. It's more of a me thing than anything else. Yeah, it's just nice to spend quality time with them and not worry. The thing is about vlogging daily is that even when you're not vlogging, you're like worrying about vlogging. So I don't want to be like worried at that time of year. Plus it's so busy usually for jobs, wrapping up things for kind of the end of the year, and it's also busy just trying to get things together, presents. But I do want to vlog. I love watching vlogmases and I love creating them for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to do weekly vlogs, which I hope will be like a good solution, and I'm hoping they'll be like longer than the Vlogtobers, obviously, because yeah, they'll be encompassing the whole week. But Zach and I are going to go to Edinburgh in December, which I'm so excited about. There will be vlogs at Vlogmas, but not daily vlogs. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna head to bed now. I think I'm just going to try and forget all the things that are happening in my brain and like just melt and stop worrying, thinking and all of that kind of stuff. Tomorrow I'm gonna find, yeah, did I say this? Find solutions for all these piles of clothes, so that'll all get cleared up tomorrow, I think. But now I'm going to try and forget about it. But thank you guys for watching today. I will see you tomorrow for the start of another week. Bye!